How to log in with QR code on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can log into QR code with Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in with QR code on Discord, you can see on my browser I'm going to discord.com. I can actually enter my email or phone number, but you can also see the QR code. So in order to do that, you have to make sure that you are logged in on a mobile phone, right? So you can see I'm on my mobile phone as well. Basically on a mobile phone you want to tap on the little smiley icon from the bottom right of the screen, and then you'll come to this page where you simply need to scroll and then look for the option called scan QR code, which you see over here. So basically just tap on scan QR code, allow the app to actually take photos, and now just place it inside this QR code here like this. Once you actually basically place it straight forward, it's going to automatically log you in. So just tap on yes, log me in button over here, and then you'll be automatically logged in. And this is it on how you can go ahead and simply log in with QR code on desktop on Discord. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.